The Sun.
The Sun is the closest star to Earth. The Sun is at the center of the planets in our planetary system. All the planets and other objects revolve around it. Of course, the Sun must be the first to know about this planetary system because he is the head of this family. This star is at an average distance of 149 million kilometers from the Earth. That is the reason for the average. When it is closest to Earth, it is at a distance of about 14 crore 71 lakh kilometers. While when it is the longest, it is at a distance of 15 crore 71 lakh kilometers. This is because the Earth, which revolves around the Sun, does not revolve in a circular orbit. This orbit is elliptical. In fact, the orbits of all the planets around Sun are elliptical, rotating in this orbit. The Earth is closest to the Sun every January 3. So 6 months later, July 3rd is the farthest. The size of the Sun is too big if we compare the size of the Earth. About 109 if the Earth is placed in a line in a straight line. The distance will be the diameter of the Sun. This is about 13,91,400 kilometers. Have you ever seen laddu-shaped circle of such a diameter? Think of your Earth as a bundi. What if a total of 10 lakh bundis are made? As such, this laddu of 10 lakh Earths is our Sun. The Sun is a collection of gases. The mass of the Sun, the largest and most composed of gases, is 3,30,000 times that of the Earth, with hydrogen and helium being the two most abundant gases in the Sun. Due to this mass of its own in the Sun's core by the force of gravity, the temperature rises tremendously. Also, the pressure is huge. Due to this temperature, hydrogen is constantly converted from helium to helium. The energy generated in this process illuminates the mind. The core of the Sun is much smaller than the size of the Sun, but its mass is only half the mass of the Sun. Above the core, there is a large straight cover that is relatively quiet. The coverage of this cover is about 71%. When the energy from the inside comes out of this area, the fire in center of a room spread as it hits the whole room. This is called energy emission. The temperature in the core of the Sun rises to about 1.5 billion degrees Celsius. This is due to the force of gravity. Under the influence of this force, the atmospheric pressure there is 250 billion times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. The density of this core is 13 times the density of lead metal. Due to the tremendous force and temperature, the protons in the atom are crushed together to form the nucleus of the element helium. This is called nuclear fusion process. This fusion process in the Sun converts 635 billion kilograms of hydrogen atoms into 630 billion kilograms of helium atoms every second. During this transformation, the difference in mass between these two elements, which is 0.5 million tons, is converted into energy. So friends, this is where the first part ends. The second part is coming soon.